Hi everyone. In this slide, you can understand characteristics of Ascomycetes, one of the important class of kingdom Mycota. Ascomycota are morphologically diverse. The group includes organisms from unicellular yeasts to complex cuff fungi. 98% of lichens have and Ascomycota as the fungal part of the lichen. As you know, lichens in them two components are there. One is the algal, one more is a fungal. That fungal component is made up of Ascomycota. There are 2000 identified genera and 30,000 species of Ascomycota. The unifying characteristic among these diverse groups is the presence of a reproductive structure known as the ascus. Though in some cases it has a reduced role in the life cycle. Many ascomycetes are of commercial importance. Some play a beneficial role, such as the yeasts used in baking, brewing, and wine fermentation, plus truffles and morels, which are held as gourmet delicacies. Many of them cause tree diseases such as Dutch elm disease and apple blights. Some of the plant pathogenic ascomycetes are apple scab, rice blast, the ergot fungi, black knot, and the powdery mildews. The yeasts are used to produce alcoholic beverages and breads. The mold penicillium is used to produce the antibiotic penicillin. Almost all ascomycetes are terrestrial or parasitic. However, a few have adapted to marine or freshwater environments. The cell walls of the hyphae are variably composed of chitin and beta glucans, just as in Mycota. However, these fibres are set in a matrix of glycoprotein containing the sugars galactose and mannose. The mycelium of Ascomycetes is usually made up of septate hyphae. However, there is not necessarily any fixed number of nuclei in each of the divisions. The septal walls have septal pores, which provide cytoplasmic continuity throughout the individual hyphae. Under appropriate conditions, nuclei may also migrate between septal compartments through the septal pores. Ascomycota reproduction. Ascomycota have two methods of reproduction, asexual and sexual. Most Ascomycota can reproduce using either method or even using both. In asexual reproduction, the fungus undergoes budding or fission, where cells from the fungus divide and split, forming new genetically identical fungi that can then break off and grow on their own. The spores or fungal seeds formed by asexual reproduction are called conidia, and this process allows the fungus to reproduce more quickly than sexual reproduction alone. All Ascomycota fungi can reproduce sexually. In fact, the ascus, a sac-shaped cell formed as part of the sexual reproduction process, is what gives this group its name. In sexual reproduction, two different gametes or sex cells have to combine for reproduction to begin. In some species, the second gamete has to come from the another fungus. In other species, a single fungus contains both male and female gametes and can self-fertilize. Likewise, guys, you can list so many important characteristics of the class Ascomycetes. Thank you.